Here we are at Motspur Park Station level crossing in Greater London with Joe and train level 123. These barriers hit. The time now is 0001 on Sunday the 24th of September 2017. And this is for the 0004 2 Delta 77 South Western Railway service from Wimbledon to Guildford. Oh yeah, look, it's got that. Look, Will, it's got extra skirt. That one over there's got extra skirt on it, if you can tell. You can climb under it easily if otherwise. You can just see that right at the very bottom where the track is. You can just see some spare skirt. When were these barriers made? Oh, 16th of April 2016. 15, sorry. Got loads of Snapchats are not opened yet. This train's taking its time. Isn't even in the station yet. Not yet. Still leaving. Here we go. We've got. So that's another 455. 4555591. 4555591 to Guildford. There's the extra bit of skirt on the barrier, look.